Hello, how to solve for s in this equation? S to the power of 3 minus s squared is equal to 900. Solution. Then here we have s to the power of 3 minus s squared is equal to 900. Then we have x to the power of 3 minus s squared minus 900 is equal to 0. Take note of this, that 900 is equal to 1000 minus 100. Then minus 900 will be equal to minus 1000 plus 100. Now let's replace this by this. Then this can be written as s to the power of 3 minus s squared minus 1000 plus 100 is equal to 0. Then from here, let's pair this with this and this with this. We have x to the power of 3 minus 1000, then minus, this is s squared minus 100 is equal to 0. Then this is s to the power of 3 minus 1000 can be written as 10 to the power of 3 minus bracket, this is s squared minus 100 is 10 squared is equal to 0. Then take note of this, that if you have from here a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3, this is equal to a minus b bracket a squared plus ab plus b squared. Then also from here, this is in the form of perfect square. If you have a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a plus b bracket a minus b. Then where a is equal to x and b is equal to 10, we have x minus 10 bracket s squared plus 10 multiplied by s plus 10 squared, then minus s plus 10 bracket x minus 10 is equal to 0. Here we have x minus 10 is common here, x minus 10 bracket this is s squared, 10 multiplied by s, this is plus 10x plus 10 squared, that is 100, minus here is s plus 10 is equal to 0. Then this is x minus 10 bracket x squared plus 10x plus 100 minus x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now this is x minus 10 bracket x squared plus 10x minus s, this is 9x plus 100 minus 10, that is 90, is equal to 0. There are two cases here. The first case is s minus 10 is equal to 0, and the second case is s squared plus 9s plus 90 is equal to 0. Then from the first case here, s is equal to 10. This is the first value of s. Also from here, this is a quadratic equation. Let's solve it using quadratic general formula. We have s is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 9, c is equal to 90. Then x is equal to minus bracket 9 plus or minus square root of 9 squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 90. Then everything over 2 multiplied by 1. Then x is equal to minus 9 plus or minus square root of 9 squared, this is 81, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 90, that is 360 over 2 multiplied by 1, that is 2. Then x is equal to minus 9 plus or minus square root of 81 minus 360, that is minus 279 over 2. Now x will be equal to minus 9 plus or minus square root of, then minus 273. We have 279. We have 279. This is divisible by 3. Here, 3 in 27, that is 9. 3 in 9, 3. This is also divisible by 3. 3 in 9, 3. Then 3 in 3, 1. So, here is divisible by 31, 1. So, here we have 3 squared multiplied by 31. So, therefore, this minus 273 can be written as minus 1 multiplied by 3 squared multiplied by 31. Everything over 2. Then this is s is equal to minus 9 plus or minus square root of 3 squared, that is 3. Square root of minus 1 is I. Then root 31 over 2. These are other values of x. Therefore, our final answer are x1 is equal to 10. Now, s2 is equal to minus 9 plus 3i root 31 over 2. Then s3 is equal to minus 9 minus 3i root 31 over 2. You can see that here we have only one real solution and then two complex roots. I hope this is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation, s to the power of 3 minus s squared is equal to 900. Then when s is equal to 10, we can check with the real roots here. We have 10 to the power of 3 minus 10 squared must be equal to 900. Now 10 to the power of 3, this is 1000 minus 10 squared, that is 100, must be equal to 900. Now here 1000 minus 100, this is 900, is equal to 900, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.